So I was looking at YouTube here, and I was thinking that wouldn't it be great if not just the drone camps had stickers, but what about the RC Sailors? What is it? I think it's this one. What if the RC Sailors had stickers and Captain Drone had stickers? But so far I've only found shirts on theirs. It'd be nice to have some stickers. Maybe you have to be a Patreon or something to get them. Anyway, I'm considering getting some of these items. I wonder how much they get out of the whole thing, since there's all this shipping tax and subtotal stuff. I think the only one that does not have taxes right now is the RC Sailors. Anyway, it's good to support our buddies and all the different thingies that they do, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.